Hi, welcome back. In this video, we're going to show you about how we modified one of our tools to make it a lot easier to build things using nylocks. So as you can see here, this doesn't look like like wrench or something. I forgot what it's called. It's nutdriver. We sanded this part off, and we'll show you why. Imagine this is as big as this, and it can't go in there because that tiny slot right there isn't big enough. This is too thick right there, but we sanded it off so it can. This can help a lot when it's in tough situations. As you can see, it fits. How we did this is we have our sander over here. You just put it up here like that, but when you sand it, you don't want to sand it so much that it just completely opens, and you need to keep some air on it because the steel will get too hot and it will lose, it will become flimsy or something like that. And so make sure you keep some air on it, sand it, and it can make your working a lot faster. Have a good night.